Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 21 named Merge to Sorted List. In this problem, we are given two linked lists which is sorted, and we have to return another linked list which is also sorted, but both of the input linked list is merged. Here in the first example, we can see that the first linked list contains three elements which is 1, 2 and 4. The second linked list contains three elements which is 1, 3 and 4. Now the merged linked list will be 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4. So here we can see that this violet color 1, 3 and 4 consist from the second linked list, and this red color 1, 2 and 4 consist from the first linked list. So here we are given two linked lists in a sorted order and we have to merge both of them. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, let's take this example. Here we are given two linked lists. First is 1, 2 and 4. The second one is 1, 3 and 4. Now we have to merge them and make a new linked list. So to avoid some of the test case, let's take a node which contains the value 0 initially and mark it as the dummy node. Now, let's analyze some of the test case. At first, it can be possible that both of the linked list is null. So here we have to simply return null. Now it can be possible that the first linked list is null. So here in this case, we have to return the second linked list. And it can be possible that the second linked list is null. Then we have to return the first linked list. Now, if the both of the linked list is not null, that means we have to run the merge algorithm. How this merge algorithm works? We have to use two of the pointer. The first pointer will point the first element of the first linked list, and the second pointer will point the first element of the second linked list. Now we have to check which is the minimum of this both of the pointer. Now here, the first value by default is smaller or equal to the second value. So we have to add the first linked list value to the dummy node. Now we have to update our pointer to here. Now this pointer will be removed. Now here we can see that the first pointer value is 2 and the second pointer value is 1. So 1 is the minimum. So we have to add 1 here into the resultant list and upgrade the second pointer. Now here we can see that the first pointer value is 2, which is minimum from the second pointer. So we have to add 2 here and upgrade our first pointer to the 4. And we have seen that the second pointer value 3 is less than 4. So we have to add 3 here. Now we have to simply add or upgrade the second pointer to 4. Now here, both of the pointer value are equal. So we have to add the first one. Now here, after adding this 4, the pointer will become out of bound or it will point to the null value. Now, if any of the pointer pointing to the null value, we have to simply add the other remaining part of the linked list of the other pointer. So here we have to simply add the remaining part of the linked list of the second linked list, which is 4. Now this linked list is the resultant output. So we have to simply return the dummy of next. That means we have to simply return this portion of the linked list, which is the desired merged output of this algorithm. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named merge to list, which is given to linked list as a parameter. Now it can be possible that both of the linked list is empty, so we have to return null. Now, if the first linked list is empty, we have to return the second linked list. And if the second linked list is empty, we have to return the first linked list. Otherwise, we have to simply take a dummy node, which stores the value 0, and upgrade the current pointer to the dummy. Now, this current pointer will hold or add the value to the resultant linked list. Now we are running this loop while we have the value list1 and list2. Now, if the list1 value is less than is equal to the list2 value, we have to simply upgrade the current next pointer to the list1, and list1 pointer should be upgraded. Otherwise, we have to add the current next pointers to the linked list2, and linked list2 pointer should be updated. Now, finally, we have to upgrade the current pointer because we have to store the next value as well. Now, it can be possible that after the iteration, the list1 is null. Here, we have to simply add the list2 to the current of next. Otherwise, we have to simply add the list1 to current of next. Finally, we have to return the dummy of next as the resultant linked list. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.